everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to do a little bit of cleaning but more decorating than cleaning and just get ready for this up and coming 4th of July. So let's go.
So don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound.
And now let the little bit of cleaning start before I do the decor over in this area. Just get everything clean before I put decorations up.
Take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. Let your colors burn now. Let your colors burn now. I'll let you in the dark. I'm waiting in the dark, where I can see you so clear. All we got is here and now. So give it all you got.
I'm gonna hang these with this hook on the
Your
bottom.
eyes follow the sound.
And these stars I got at Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, and I just, like you saw me take them out of that trash sack, I just store them in the attic just like that, all stacked on each other, and they just store just like that pretty easily.
If you stay with me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. So take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose.
And these two chargers I got at a Hobby Lobby. The stars were in the 4th of July section, the red, white, and blue, and then the other ones I got on major sale on the spring decor that I just saw in that section because I was looking for red and white, just like this.
I'll love you in the dark.
And now I'm just going to put the white plate because I'm trying to break up all of these colors and not have too much of one, but I get all of these solid plates from Dollar Tree. I have black, white, and gray, and I use them in my dining room as well, just different holidays. I just like the neutral colors that you can just play with and add fun things to.
Space the emptiness had afforded, just like a void.
Now I'm going to add some things to the center of the table. Most of this is new this year, but I'm just kind of setting it, and you can see the tags are still on it because I never cut the tags off till I know I'm going to keep it and I like the way it turned out. So now, I didn't like those lanterns, but I liked everything else. So now I'm just going to cut everything off that I'm keeping and then take the lanterns back to Hobby Lobby. But that's just something I always do.
But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep.
Now I just step back to look at it and make sure it's even, and it wasn't, so I just pulled it a little bit. And now I'm going to switch out the lemons for the flag wreath and then move on and continue cleaning with vacuuming around the table.
And lit up a flame. Ooh, I was my own enemy. Screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of.
Now it's time to move into the kitchen. I'm just gonna wipe down all of the counters first and then get going on everything else.
You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. I rise.
I'm just curious, what are your plans for the 4th of July? Comment down below. We usually go to a friend's house, spend the day, swim, hang out, and then we shoot our own fireworks at night because they are not in the city limits, so the boys have fun with that. But I'm just curious to see what y'all got going on. So here's everything in the kitchen. These are the kids' pajamas for the 4th of July I got at Carter's. This decor right here is all from Dollar Tree, and then just a bunch of snacks to do on the little display on the little island right here, and just get ready for the 4th of July.
In your arms of gold, I rise from the ashes. With pins and patches, we carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone.
Now we're gonna start with making red, white, and blue star cookies, just a cream cheese sugar cookie that I do for Christmas cookies and anytime you want to decorate them, but this time I'm just going to add some food coloring and make them festive.
Inside of you, just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his.
There's the finished product of the cookies, one of my favorite. But now we're going to go on and just make an easy, simple fruit dip, or you can use graham crackers with it too. It is so tasty.
Need some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego.
Now that the fruit dip is all finished, I'm going to just go through and wash all of the fruit that I will be needing for my charcuterie board that you will see me put all together later in this video.
Here he goes, with his humble and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes.
And now I'm just going to add some sprinkles to the fruit dip now that I'm about to put this tray together and just make it more festive with the blue and red sprinkles on top.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it.
I'm just gonna start displaying everything on this tray. There's no right or wrong way to do this. I just kind of try to separate my colors and just go from there and just have fun with it.
You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. Say you don't wanna be with me, but you miss me as soon as it's over. Your name lighting up the screen, but you never call when you're sober. You say you don't like the games, but you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that I'm fed up with your lies, so don't come closer. You know you hurt me bad and I have scars. I need some time to heal, so don't come over. Don't even bother calling, just get lost. I'm fine on my own, so don't even bother to come back, 'cause I'm done. I'm fine on my own, and boy, your pretty little lies are getting old. All the nights I have wasted on you are gone, 'cause we are through. All the nights I have wasted on you are gone, 'cause we are through.
Now that that's all set up, I am going to move the cookies out of the way and then get these bowls that I got from Target in the dollar section. I think they were like $3 each or something. And then I'm just gonna do some blue Doritos and red Doritos in one and just keep going with that red, white, and blue theme.
Wanna be a thing, but I'm not the one who's calling. I'm tired of waiting for you to change into someone who can love me. But you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that I'm fed up with your lies, so don't come closer. You know you hurt me bad and I have scars. I need some time to heal, so don't come over. Don't even bother calling, just get lost. I'm fine on my own, so don't even bother to come back, 'cause I'm done. I'm fine on my own, and boy, your pretty little lies are getting old.
Now just cleaning this area up now that I have everything out, and just give it a wipe down, and then I will be going through and vacuuming the kitchen before I do one last little treat for the 4th of July. Of course, you need a drink to go with all of these snack foods, and so I'm just gonna do the rim in red sprinkles, put Sprite, and I added a red, white, and blue popsicle. The kids can either eat the popsicle separate or let it melt in their Sprite and just have fun with it. Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope that you guys have a wonderful July 4th and this gave you some inspiration, maybe some ideas to get started on planning your 4th of July with your family, and I will see you next time.